Muito alto. We can get on it. That's cool. Tá bom. Very interesting. In Europe, they wouldn't just let you get on it because it's dangerous or something. Like, I have some sense of what these things are supposed to do. Yeah, this must be like the gear shift, but it works strangely because of the mechanism is so different. But you use this screw to make the rotations bigger or smaller. That one there. Oh, they have like LED strips, so they can light them up during night. What does it say? In Philadelphia, USA. So it was made in the United States.